Good day everybody. This is a very popular question. Now the solution to this question is existing in the social media, but I don't want to use the technique given there. I want to show you an alternative method to solve this question. Now we got a rectangle, so let me just draw the rectangle, and the sides are A, B, C, D. Now from B you have a line hitting DC, right? So this is how it hits. I think I should stretch it a little bit further because this is okay. And this point is given to be as E. This distance is 3 units, this distance is 9 units, this distance is 3 units, this is 3 units. It's a rectangle, so the entire length AB is going to be 12 units, right? Now from A there is a hit. Now this hit is actually dividing this line segment into two parts. So this is the figure, and this distance and this distance are same. Now this point is taken as AF, and you are expected to find the length AF. Okay. Now if you see the solution, the author has adopted a very complicated approach to solve this question, whereas this question can easily be solved by means of the concepts which we have already studied. Right? Now if I were to connect A and E, now AF is dividing EB into two equal parts, right? So if I were to connect A and E, I have a triangle. Let me use this side so that I would have a sharp connection. Okay, so of course ABCD is a rectangle, so naturally angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D, they are all 90, but it's not of much importance to us. We are not going to be utilizing the angles. But what we will utilize is the median formula. Now foremost, I would like to know the length of the line segment EB, what EB is. So for that, consider ECB. Now what is ECB? ECB is a right triangle, so this is 90. Of course our 90 degree comes into play here. So by Pythagoras, what happens here? By Pythagoras theorem, EC squared plus CB squared is equal to EB squared. As I mentioned to you, I want EB. So my EC squared is 9 squared, my BC squared or CB squared is 3 squared. So 9 squared is 81, this is 9. So EB squared is 90, so EB is equal to root of 90. So this entire length is 90. Now clearly you can see that the part is AF being the median, it is dividing it into two parts. So this would mean root of 90 divided by 2 here, root of 90 divided by 2 here. Okay, anyhow, that is not of much importance to us. Since we need to know the value of AF, I would be taking this to be as my MA, my median, right? Now we have studied a formula. So what is the formula we have studied? If this point is A and this point is B, and say let this be F, let this be E, and you got this to be as MA. These two parts are equal. Now this entire segment is going to be A units, this is B units, this is C units. In fact, when I say C, it is the side opposite to E, right? So the formula that we have studied earlier is MB or MA is equal to half times root of 2 times B squared plus 2 times C squared negative A squared. This is the formula we studied, right? I will be employing this formula. I will also place the link of this particular video as to how exactly I have derived this formula. Just by merely utilizing this formula, we can easily obtain our AF. That's it. But the only problem here is we should be in a position to visualize this, because the problem is highly misleading. Now when I say misleading, that is the purpose of the problem, right? They are not giving you a problem just to give you or just to enable you to give straightforward solution. So you should be able to see the unseen. So that is the key point. So having mentioned you that, let me substitute the value. So the side opposite, so this is AE. I need to know what is AE. AE is going to be this side, right? So we need to know what is this side. So what is this side? This is again a right angle. Now by Pythagoras, now using Pythagoras, this length can easily be found, right? So this is nothing but DE squared plus DA squared, which will be equal to AE squared, right? So 3 squared plus 3 squared, 9 plus 9 is 18. So we need only AE, right? So therefore AE is going to be root of 18, which is nothing but root of 9 times 2, which is 3 times root 2. So this is the value that have to be utilized. So we have got this side, we have got this side, we have got this side. Now all we need to do is to substitute it in the formula. So what I will do is I will show the substitution using this part of the page. So MA, this is what is required, right? So that is equal to 1 over 2 times square root of 2b squared. Now b squared is going to be the side opposite b, right? This is the side. So that's going to be 2 times of 3 times root 2 squared plus 2c squared. Now c squared is going to be this side. C is going to be this, right? ABC. So this, we need to take the opposite side. So this is the side that would go in. We can't touch this. This is going to be our A in the formula, right? So this is going to be our A. So if you substitute this side, so this is going to be 2 times of 12 squared negative root of 90 squared. So if you simplify this, you can easily see the result. So let me show you the outcome. So this is equal to 1 over 2 times square root of, so you have a 36 here, 12 squared is 144 multiplied by 2, it's going to be 288. Negative root of 90 squared is going to be 90. So 288 added with 36, we get 14, 1, 9, 12, 1, 3, 2, 4 minus 90. So this is 324 negative 90. This is divided by 2. So what happens? 324 negative 90. You get a 4 here. you get a 3 and a 2. So 234. So this is equal to root of 234 divided by 2 units. Right. So that is the value of AF. Probably you can, therefore AF is equal to root of 234 divided by 2 units. So that is the answer to this question. Thank you.